Hey guys, would you like to clean with more natural solutions rather than those heavily scented chemical-based ones? Would you like to find a natural deodorant that actually works? Have you ever wondered how to make a few little changes in your home that will make a huge impact on your health and wellness of your family, including your pets? In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to take those everyday items that you use in your home and swap them for natural remedies and solutions that's going to help reduce the toxic load in your home. These 4 quick swaps are easy to do and will literally change your life. If you've been looking for an essential oil expert who's made the swap to natural wellness for her family, hit that subscribe button and click the bell to get notified every time I upload a video. Stick around to the end to hear my best tips, and I'll be sure to share with you my free guide to making simple essential oil swaps. Hey guys, I'm Amy Connor, and I've been helping people lead a natural, healthier way of life since 2013. I'm a mom to 2 sets of boy-girl twins and an active duty Army wife. I have a master's degree in mental health counseling, and I'm also an essential oil expert with doTERRA. My goal is to empower you and your loved ones to live a natural, healthier way of life. Let's jump right in. Have you been wanting to make a few small changes in your home that's going to help reduce the toxic load, but you're just not sure how? Taking things a little at a time can be such an effective way to make a huge impact. Here are 4 quick swaps that will literally change your life. Number 1, sanitizing spray. Our unique sanitizing spray is amazing for the on-the-go convenience. Packed with doTERRA's On Guard Protective Blend, which is the immune booster for back to school that every family needs in their cabinet. A blend of wild orange, clove, cinnamon, and eucalyptus oils into a ready-made convenient spray makes this an easy swap. Chuck the alcohol-based sanitizers and bring in the heavy hitters for immune and antioxidant support. Number 2, recipe for natural wipes. For all my DIYers, so be patient with me if you're like me and don't like to DIY. This one is super easy. Don't panic. I'll pop in the recipe on the screen for a quick screenshot. Here's all the things you're gonna need. 1 roll of premium paper towels, 2 cups warm water, 2 tablespoons of fractionated coconut oil, 3 drops doTERRA On Guard Protective Blend, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of On Guard Foaming Hand Wash. And there you have it. Hate that idea? Check in the description of this video for ready-made On Guard wipes. Number 3, natural deodorant. There are tons of natural options on the market today, but I haven't found anything like doTERRA's deodorant infused with balanced essential oil. Switching to a natural deodorant can be a process. However, don't give up. The rewards are totally worth it. My contact information will be in the description of this video if you want to hear more about my journey with going natural or any tips and tricks I found to help achieve success. And if you have sensitive skin, we also have a formula that doesn't contain any baking soda, which can be an irritant for some. Do you have an idea for an easy toxin-free swap? I know my subscribers would love to hear what's worked for you and your family. And now for that 4th and final toxin-free suggestion. Number 4, laundry detergent. There are a few options that doTERRA has to offer. The On Guard Protective Blend Liquid is phenomenal when dealing with all those sweaty, stinky, and stained athletic wear. However, if you prefer a pod, the Abode pods are another great option that you can simply toss into your washing machine. Think of them as an all-natural version of the pods that you may find at your local supermarket. I can recommend that there are plenty of options to ditch the extra chemical add-ons that most of us have all used. Fabric sheets. I have 2 favorite essential oils to use for your fabric softening process, lavender and wild orange. As silly as it may sound, you can soften your fabric with vinegar in the fabric softener space in your washing machine. Grab some wool dryer balls and place a few drops on them, and you'll have a toxin-free, good-smelling fabric softener at a fraction of the price for the other stuff out there. You made it to the end. Download my free guide to making simple essential oil swaps. Check in the comments below for the link to this free download. Thanks so much for watching. If you've been looking for an essential oil expert who's made the swap to natural wellness for her family, you found her. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell to be notified every time I upload a video.